I'm gonna make the best Indonesian snack you'll ever try.
We're on a journey across the world's best chocolate desserts. And today, we're in Indonesia, where dessert is fast, fluffy, and cooked right on the street. Meet Kue Cubit Cokelat, tiny, chocolatey street cakes that are soft, gooey, and melt in your mouth good. You'll find them everywhere, outside schools, on busy corners, cooked fresh on a sizzling griddle, and handed to you on a little plastic plate, while an ojek zooms by blasting dangdut music. They're sweet, nostalgic, taste like pure joy, and all for a few thousand rupiah.
Let's get cooking.
In a bowl, whisk together your 2 eggs and sugar until light and frothy. That's what makes the batter fluffy. Next, add flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix until fully combined, then pour in milk, melted butter, and a dash of vanilla extract. The cocoa powder gives these cakes their rich chocolate depth, while the sweetness is being balanced by the sugar and the sprinkles. Stir until smooth. You want a thick, glossy batter that flows easily but holds shape. Here's a tip. Mix gently after you add the flour. Overmixing can make the cakes dense. You don't want that. Heat your Kue Cubit pan over low heat. Spray each mold so nothing sticks.
If you don't have non-stick spray at home, you can also use butter or margarine. That will do the trick as well.
Now fill each mold about 3/4 full with batter. Drop a chocolate chip right in the center, then sprinkle with chocolate hagelslag. Those tiny sprinkles every Indonesian kid knows by heart.
Half of the country loves them half cooked and gooey in the middle. The other half swears they love them crisp and golden. I'm gonna let you guys fight that one out in the comments.
Lift them out carefully, still warm, and line them up on a plate.
The name Kue Cubit literally means pinch cake. They're small enough you can pick it up in between your fingers.
They're light, fluffy, and perfectly chocolatey, with a gooey center that hits every time. It's like the love child of a pancake and a molten lava cake, bite-sized and absolutely irresistible. So if you've got 10 minutes, a bit of cocoa, and a sweet tooth, make these Kue Cubit Cokelat at home. They're quick, comforting, and guaranteed to make your kitchen smell amazing.
Tag us when you make them, golden or gooey. We want to see which side you're on. And tell us in the comments where we should travel to next.
Salamat makan, people, and see you at the next stop.